Okay, this one's a little sneaky. You have to go back and remember something about roots. If you have the 13th root of something, okay, there's a rule that says if you have the nth root of x, that is the same thing as x raised to the 1 over n power. Okay, so for right now, I'm just going to work on this 13th root of x to the 19th. So remember, the nth root of whatever is under your radical, that is right there, and you're going to raise it to the 1 over nth power. Now, for what we have an x to the 19th underneath our radical. So I have to take that x to the 19th, all of it, so I need to put it in parentheses, and that is going to get raised to the power of 1 over 13. So that's using this rule. But then I have a power raised to another power. So that exponent rule says if you have x to the a and it's raised to another power b, you have to take those two powers and multiply them together. So since I have this power of 19 and this power of 1/13, when you take 19 times 1/13, you get 19/13. Remember, because 19 is like 19 over 1. And if you take 19 over 1 times 1 over 13, it's just, you just take numerator times numerator, which is 19. And denominator times denominator, which is 13. So it's x to the 19/13. So come back over here. I'm being asked to expand this thing here, right? So this is going to become the natural log of x to the 19/13. And now I go back to that log rule that says if you have, and it doesn't matter whether it's log or ln, I'll write it as ln this time, if you have the natural log of x raised to the nth power, that's going to be n times the natural log of the x. So I think I used orange before, as I recall. You take the exponent, like here's the exponent, it goes out in front. It's out in front now right here. So out in front is going to be your 19/13 times the natural log of x. And that is my answer. Okay, what is Mobius telling me to do? Not telling me diddly squat. Okay, so I'm going to type in the fraction. There's the a over b. My numerator is 19. Scroll to the denominator. I'm going to have to backspace to put in the 13th. Now, that cursor is still, it's flashing right by the 3. So hit your right arrow button to pop it out so you can hit natural log and then parenthesis x, close the parenthesis, and green light.